And next we have Miss Tanvi Rao. I humbly request you to come forward and decorate the beautiful seat. Let there be a huge round of applause to the very beautiful Miss Tanvi Rao. And before we do the honors, a small witty.
Tanvi Rao, a truly shining star emerging in the world of arts from the heart of Mangalore. She commenced her artistic journey at the tender age of 4, delving into the intricate world of Bharatanatyam. Over time, she not only mastered this classical form but also ventured into choreography and self-learning various dance styles. Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam recognized her talent, meeting her personally and applauding her Bharatanatyam Arangetam through a heartfelt letter. Stars like Aishwarya Rai, Madhuri Dixit and others showered her performance with admiration. Tanvi's journey extended to the silver screen, where she shared screen with icons like Madhuri Dixit and Juhi Chawla in Gulab Gang. Her cinematic journey continued with impactful roles in Guns of Banaras and the recent blockbuster Gulmohar, streaming on Disney Hotstar. At 16, Tanvi embarked on a Bharatanatyam tour across 9 US cities, earning standing ovations and foreseeing her rise to stardom. The journey sparked radio interviews, painting her as a future star. Despite being an academic achiever, Tanvi chose an unconventional path, pursuing a BA in performing arts, breaking the stereotypes that often confine talents like hers. Her commitment to excellence extended beyond the stage to her academic endeavors. Tanvi embraced theatre, performing in renowned venues like Rangashankara Bengaluru, Prithvi Theatre. Choosing her passion over convention, she became a beacon of Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, exemplifying girl power and women empowerment. Tanvi Rao, an alumna of St. Aloysius PU College, stands as a true testament to resilience, determination, and the pursuit of dreams against all odds. Her journey continues to inspire, reminding us that small steps can lead to extraordinary destinations.
Now, may I please invite Dr. Zina Mendonça, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, to read the citation.
Mangalore Jesuit Educational Society, Mangalore, St. Aloysius College Alumni Association, Mangalore, proudly present the Alumni Award Aloysian Youth Icon 2024, Award of Recognition and Commendation. This award is presented to Ms. Tanvi Rao in recognition of the exceptional performance and outstanding achievements in the field of performing arts, displaying unmatched acumen as a child prodigy and recognized in the entertainment and glamour industry as an excellent performer, an actor on silver screen, and celebrity classical dancer. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have been instrumental in your success, and we are honored to recognize your accomplishments. You have been an exemplary Aloysian and a veritable ambassador of the core values enshrined in the vision and mission of the institution, being a person for and with others, shining and enkindling others, driven by a commitment to excellence and service to humanity. The management of St. Aloysius College institutions and St. Aloysius College Alumni Association feels immensely proud of your hard work, determination, dedication, and unmatched distinctive achievements, and wishes that you soar higher and make the Aloysian flag fly high. May God bless you. Dated 11 January 2024, time 3 p.m., venue Father L.F. Raskina Auditorium. Signed by Reverend Father Melvin Joseph Pinto S.J., Rector St. Aloysius Institutions, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis S.J., Principal St. Aloysius College Autonomous, Mr. Stephen Pinto, Convener, Social Aloysian Youth Icon.
Thank you, Dr. Sina. And now it's time to do the honors. I request all the dignitaries to kindly come forward. I request Father Melvin, the rector of our institution, to honor Ms. Tanvi with a shawl. I request Reverend Father Clifford Sequeira to present a peta to Ms. Tanvi. Meanwhile, I request Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis S.J. to give the memento. I request the Registrar, Dr. Alwyn Desa, to present the fruit of basket. I request the convener of the event to present the citation. And now it's time to listen to you, Ms. Tanvi Rao.
Namaskara. Very warm good evening to all of you. I don't know what to say. I'm truly, truly overwhelmed. I was almost about to cry there. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I might as well jump into one of the costumes of the welcome dance group and, start performing with them. What say, Mohan sir? This is truly a great honor to be here. Thank you, Reverend Father Melvin Pinto. Thank you, Reverend Father Clifford Sequeira. Thank you, Reverend Father Praveen, Mr. Alwyn, Mr. Sunil, and Mr. Stephen. Thank you, everybody who organized this beautiful event. And thank you for the performers for that beautiful welcome dance. And thank you to all my teachers, my wonderful teachers who've come here to support me today. I had some of them message me last night saying that they're proud of me, and it truly, truly means a lot to me. Even my teachers from St. Agnes are here to support me here today. And my heart is just completely, completely overwhelmed. I would like to, first of all, thank the most important of all my teachers, my parents. I'm sure it was very, very difficult to support me even when I was failing sometimes, even when I made mistakes, even when people around me did not believe that I was taking the right decision. I got 98% in PCMB even after missing almost 2 months of classes. But I chose to pursue arts. And I'm sure that was a very difficult, very confusing decision, but my parents always stood by me, even if I've sometimes failed, even if I've sometimes let them down, but they have constantly been the biggest support for me, and they are here today celebrating every little achievement that I've ever done, and they're here today celebrating this event too. And they're always the happiest. Even now, they're the happiest. They feel the same amount of happiness every time somebody comes up to me and says, "Neevu serial madovaralla, bari chanda martira aita." And that happiness, that smile on their face, just always, pushes me to do better in life. Thank you. If I wake up every morning today smiling and go to do the things that I love to do, it's all because of my parents. And my teachers from St. Agnes, from St. Aloysius, and my Christ University, all of them have been so supportive, not just of my academic endeavors, but like he said, of my cultural endeavors. Like I said, I was not there in the college for, in first PU, I was touring the USA, states of USA. In second PU, I was doing a movie. And they have been so supportive. My teachers have gone above and beyond what is their job description and helped me anytime of the day. On social media, they've sent me notes. They've taken me home to give me extra training once I was back. And they've not just done academic help, but also given me so much emotional support and inspiration along the way. So I cannot thank them enough. I have to also mention my dance teachers, Guru Srimati Geeta Sarla and Guru Srimati Rashmi Chidanand, with whom I have been learning since the age of 4. My teacher in Bangalore, dance teacher, Guru Purnima Charadi, and all my teachers who've taught me music, dance, theatre, and about life. And my friends, my acquaintances who inspired and given me strength at different points. But today, I'm sure the happiest of them all, even when I received this invitation, was no points for guessing my father. He was ecstatic. He has even mailed a few times to the rector because he just cannot contain his happiness. He was a student of Aloysius, and he's always telling us about his time in Aloysius. My grandfather studied here, so we have a very emotional relationship with this institution, and it means a lot to all of us, especially to my father, that I received this award. So he started sharing to me about all the people who've already received this award in the past. And truly, I feel so small, so tiny. I don't know what I'm doing standing here in front of all the magnificent people who have received this before me and all their inspiring stories. I feel really humble standing next to these amazing 4 people who have such extraordinary stories to tell. And Vaishnavi, I know her personally because she was my senior when I was in PU, and we even did a dance drama together. And she was amazing even back then, and I'm really proud every time I see something she's done on social media. And congratulations, Vaishnavi. I cannot wait to hear all the amazing things that you do after this. And yeah, but for me, this moment, I would like to say, is more than recognition, something about responsibility. That whatever I do after this, I will have to remember that I'm not just Tanvi Rao, but also Aloysius youth icon. And I will have to live up to that title that I share with such amazing people. Thank you. So yeah, I'm too small to offer any words of wisdom or advice, but I find a lot of inspiration in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and his ways. And he once, when he was asked who inspired him the most, he mentioned his primary school teacher, and he said, that man taught me how a bird flies on the blackboard, and that taught me, that changed my life. And I think that sense of gratitude and appreciation is something that I have been practicing for the past few years, and that's something I would like to share with all of you. I genuinely don't think I am here because I scored 98% after missing a few classes, or because I performed with Madhuri Dixit, or performed in a few films, or in a few television shows, or even toured the USA in Bharatanatyam. I genuinely think one of the big reasons I'm here is because I have a wonderful relationship with all of my teachers, and I did the bare minimum of respecting them and of appreciating all that they have done for me. And in turn, they have just given me so much love, so much honor, and I'm standing here today in front of all of you, all thanks to them. And that's something my father always told me, that when you are successful, a lot of people will stand next to you, naturally. But when you are not, when you are struggling, when you're making mistakes, when you are confused, and when you're failing, the people that stand by you, your teachers, your parents, your friends, who try to support you, who genuinely want for you to succeed, try to remember those people. When you have a stage like this, when you're standing in front of a mic, when you have spread your wings, try to mention some of those names. And yeah, I don't think I need to tell all of you how to achieve your dreams, because I'm sure Aloysius teaches you that, and I'm sure you guys will do great things in life, and all the best for all the dreams that you have, that you are looking forward to achieve. But all I would say is that I hope you remember this journey, and I hope you remember all the other people who stood by you in this journey. Thank you once again for this honor, and thank you for being a part of this moment of my life, and thank you so much for having the patience to listen to me. Thank you.
It is the level of maturity you have at this age. Coming back to your alma mater, you're so grounded. All you have is love, appreciation, and a heart of gratitude for all the people who stood by you. Thank you so much for inspiring our generation here, and especially the students of Aloysius. And you are the really epitome of the motto, that is, once an Aloysian, always an Aloysian. Thank you so much. And next on the list, we have Miss Vaishnavi Pavitran. May I please request you to kindly come forward and decorate the beautiful seat. And before we do the honors,